Here's sound decibels before, guys. Go ahead. Right at 93. That's the blowout valve more than anything. So without the blowout valve, it's about 87. So it's very, very quiet. BMW 530i, custom Alpina front lip, wheels, stripes, really nice. Kind of looks like an M5, close to it. I like it, a little bit different. And if you guys ever wondered if you've never seen an Indian license plate before, look at that, that's different. I like it, it's different. Never seen one in person. So it's got a factory converter up there somewhere, then 3-inch pipe into a secondary converter there. It's actually a resonator converter combo. So the converter's right here, the secondary converter, and then the resonator's behind it. Okay, right there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we did a custom Y pipe setup on it. He wanted to keep the valve in there, so we left the valve on it for him because he wanted a little bit quieter on cold start. So there it is. And then there's the custom Y pipe we did on it right there. And we left his stock tips out the back on each side. There and there. And the muffler is this beast right here, this gigantic muffler. It comes, the inlet comes right here, and then you have an outlet there and an outlet there. Look at this thing. He just lost like 50 pounds of weight just by taking the muffler off. So looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And we always tuck it up to make it clean and nice so you don't see it, as you guys can see. See, like when you back up, you don't see anything but the tips, which is, that's what you want. You don't want to see pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. All right, here we go, guys. 530i, muffler delete. So much louder. Is it in eco mode right now? What do you think? Wow, look at that marble. Go ahead. Sound decibels. Again. What? Let me open sport mode on it, see if it gets louder. 1 second. All right, here's sport mode. Go ahead. Yeah, it got louder. Much better it sounds. This is sport mode for you guys. Changes the shift points and everything. Again. 108 BMW 530i 4-cylinder turbo. Good sounding car, guys. Again. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. They're gonna steal like $5, but they do $300 worth of damage.
All for like 2 iced teas.
That sounds so nice. Enjoy, guys.